Hi everyone, thank you for watching. This is Edna Vargas, and I'm very glad to be here with you all, guys, because today we are going to make a quick review of what we have learned along the class. So, first of all, we just review some of the uses of the articles, of the pronouns, and the words we can use to eliminate the unnecessary repetition of words, in this case, nouns. So remember that we could have some words that specify, and sometimes we don't need to repeat the name of the thing we are talking about. We have to be very clear to find the verb agreement, the subject verb agreement in the if it's singular, first of all, identify in the gender, or if it's singular or plural. In this case, we talk about the use of one and once. What is the difference between this? We also use this in Spanish language. When we are talking about singular stuff, I can use the word one. One. Which one do you like? Which one you prefer? So, or which ones you prefer the most? And in this case, we are combining this topic with the use of the comparative and the superlatives. Of course, I can use adjectives to describe and to be clear in what things we worked or we want. And remember that there is also, oh, sorry, it's just, I was going to try to find me. Okay, so there is also an order in the use of the adjectives. Just to make it clear, don't use more than three adjectives in a sentence. In this case, I'm using a lot of colors yes, on my eyeshadows. So I try to apply this. As you can see, well, I am using four. In this case, they work. But sometimes when we are working with adjectives in a sentence, if we are using more than three, sometimes it would sound a little bit weird, or we sometimes could struggle with the pronunciation or with finding the correct order. First of all, you can use your opinion. That's the most basic thing we could use in any language, saying if it's something you like or you don't like. And there are some words to show preference or to show your opinion about something. Remember, each of us have different opinions. So in this case, you can say something is if something is beautiful, if something is ugly, if something is pretty, if something is amazing. So the first adjective you can use is the adjective that describes. After that, there are several options. Try to think about what is next. What would you like to describe? Okay, so don't forget that the word or the noun comes at the end. So that is the most basic thing we have to learn in English language. That is a little bit different from Spanish. So, for example, if you would use colors, you can use first the color and then the noun. Okay. Now going to the different topic that we worked with is the use of would you mind or do you mind? Okay. Remember, we sometimes have guests at home, and we may ask them for favors, or we want them to do something, or we want to do something by ourselves. Okay. Some examples. Would you mind if I make a phone call? Or do you mind making a phone call for me? Or calling my mom or letting them know something. Okay. So another topic that we work with is the use of present continuous. And that would be another topic where we were going to talk just that, but just to make a review of what present continuous is, it's just remember anytime we're talking about continuous is something that is recently, that is nowadays, that it has been done lately. For example, I was trying to tell you I was taking an English class when, oh, that is, we also worked with past perfect, but just say, letting you know that uh, where you get working late these days, I am using the verb to be and I am using ing also. Okay, so this is just a quick review. Remember, try to practice a lot. We also worked with some interesting readings or some interesting messages from The Little Prince. We work with The Fall in All Stars, and there's a lot of material out there that can help you to improve your listening, also your speaking, and well, your target or your objective of learning and speaking English as best as possible. Again, so this all for me. Now, see you in our next video. Bye bye.